Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the art and science of enhancing your online presence. Imagine your website as a hidden gem in a vast ocean of information. SEO helps it shine, making it easier for search engines like Google to find and rank your content. At its core, SEO involves keywords, those magic words that users type into search bars. By strategically placing these keywords in your content, titles, and meta descriptions, you signal to search engines what your page is about. But it's not just about keywords. Quality content is king. Engaging, informative, and relevant content keeps visitors on your page longer, reducing bounce rates and boosting your ranking. Don't forget about backlinks. These are like votes of confidence from other websites, signaling to search engines that your content is credible. In a nutshell, mastering SEO can significantly increase your visibility, drive traffic, and ultimately grow your audience. It's not just a skill, it's a game changer for anyone looking to thrive online.